Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Nishant and you are watching TechSol.
Hey guys, do you wanna know how to enable Intel and AMD virtualization on your PC, VMware or VirtualBox? If you do, then watch this video till the end and you will be able to enable virtualization on your PC, VMware or VirtualBox.
So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please make sure to subscribe my channel, and you can do so by clicking the red subscribe button right below this video, and that way you will get the immediate update from my new video that I am going to be posting ahead. So let's get started and dive into our today's video.
So guys, first of all, question arises that why should we enable virtualization on our PC? So the simple answer is most of the today's computer includes hardware virtualization feature that have lot of advantage, like server consolidation, which means many server application can run on a single machine at the same time. Also, it has benefit like testing and development, which enables us to test or deploy OS by virtualizing, and it enhances reliability and security, which enables us to help prevent system crashes due to memory corruption caused by software and many more. So not only it gives us the advantage, but also it makes us our work easier, like installing OS, set up virtual machines and some more. So that's why I decided to show you how to enable Intel and AMD virtualization on your PC, VMware or VirtualBox. So let's get started. So there are two ways to enable virtualization technology on PC. First one is UEFI firmware and second one is BIOS. So here at first we will concentrate on enabling virtualization from firmware and then we will move forward. So for that we have to go to setting and then updates and security and then recovery and click on restart now under advanced startup. While restarting your computer, choose troubleshoot, then advanced option and then UEFI firmware setting and then click on restart. So if you don't have the UEFI firmware setting, then no problem, you will find the VTX virtualization option in your BIOS or boot menu. On the boot menu, navigate to advanced option or configuration and find out Intel virtual technology and enable it by pressing F6. Or you can also enable it by pressing enter button and then pressing up and down button and select it to enable. It may happen that your PC may have any other shortcut keys, so find out your shortcut keys and then you have to apply that shortcut key so that you can change the values, and then at last you have to save it and then exit. So now comes to the enable VTX virtualization from BIOS. So for that you have to power on or restart your computer if it's powered on, and while restarting, when the first page appears, then press BIOS key to enter in the BIOS menu. I have already attached the BIOS key for every manufacturer, so you can check out your BIOS key. When entered, then select BIOS setup, and on the BIOS setup page select system configuration and you will find the virtualization technology option to enable. So just press F6 to change it from disable to enable, and you will enable your BIOS setting. In my case, since my laptop is Lenovo Z5070, so my BIOS key is F2, so I am going to press F2 with function key. So I am pressing Fn and F2 simultaneously. Your PC may have different BIOS keys, so check it out from the BIOS key list. So when the first screen appears, then I am going to press F2 and here comes the BIOS menu. So let's go to the configuration tab and then go to the Intel virtual technology, and here I am going to press F6 to enable it, or I can just press enter button and then press up and down key to select it enable or disable, and then press enter to click on enabled. To save it, you can also press F10 function key plus F10 on Lenovo laptop, or you can go to the exit tab and click on exit saving changes and then press OK. So now let's have a look at enabling the Intel VTX AMD virtualization on VMware. So to enable, we open VMware and then select the virtual machine you want to enable and then click on the edit virtual machine. Now select the processor option and you will see that Intel VTX and AMD virtualization enabling option. Beside, mark it if you want. Also, you can let the virtualization engine by default automatic. Then the automatic option uses the three options they are required and disable them when they are not needed. Now let's move forward to enabling Intel VTX AMD virtualization on VirtualBox. So for that, you have to open VirtualBox and then select the virtual machine you want to enable Intel AMD virtualization and then click on the settings. Here select the system tab and select acceleration tab. Then you can see the enable VTX or AMD virtualization and click OK. Okay, that's it. Hope you would not have faced any problem. If you have, then comment below if you have any problem. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you like this video then please hit thumbs up button. If you have any suggestions then you can comment box down below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.